Even though blockchain technology has always been popular in the financial field, it has been actively used in other activity areas, such as authorship, medicine and ownership, electronic voting, data management, and many others. Blockchain once again proves that it can solve many problems related to data security and integrity in various life areas. Today we'll be looking at examples where blockchain technology has been implemented successfully. But before we continue, welcome to the Crypto Hub, the largest YouTube channel where you can find everything about the crypto world. Please take a moment, go down and hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go subscribe to the Crypto Hub to stay connected. We are going to discuss compelling examples of blockchain technology today. Blockchain is now very popular among the general audience. Its popularity started with the rise of Bitcoin prices. Blockchain is immutable. It opens many opportunities for platforms that need immutable traits to make their system more functional in a highly competitive market. Let's discuss some examples of blockchain technology in practice. Number 1. Medicine. Thanks to the British medical chain project that launched in June 2017, the patient's data is stored safely and securely, provided by blockchain technology. The platform is planned for the secure storage and trade of many electronic medical reports. Patients will be able to completely control their information and grant different users access, deciding who has the right to make requests and write information to the chains. Moreover, the user can open limited access to his data for organizations included in research ventures to use this information in their research. Medical chain permits specialists to consult with or to refer patients and provide them suggestions remotely. In this way, they will be monetarily rewarded for the time spent on the platform. Moreover, it should be noted that any medical records, such as test results, including new data from the doctor, are recorded as transactions in the network. Number 2. Electronic voting. This summer in Zug City, known as the Swiss Crypto Valley, the first electronic voting system based on the blockchain technology e-voting was tested. As a part of the experiment, only Swiss citizens of Zug who had arrived at the legal age to cast their ballots could vote. During the voting, which was carried out through smartphones, citizens were asked to reply to questions about a few city events and share their impressions about the voting system. As a result, most members consider the voting strategy to be effective and straightforward to use. Others noted that they would not mind voting this way in the future. The chairman himself unquestionably states that this system ensures a high level of security and gives satisfactory protection against hacker attacks and personal information leaks. Number 3. Factom. Factom is a blockchain platform made for recording and blocking information, as well as for auditing. The system is utilized by nonprofit organizations, the government, and companies from different fields of activity. It helps to rearrange the process of keeping up with records and monitors data about the company's trade processes. It allows users to conduct their activities in adherence with the security requirements and legal control of their market. So how does it work? Any company makes its chain inside the Factom blockchain protocol. Then by running its chain, it makes hashes of the document. A much appreciated feature to these hashes is that you can make a hash of a copy of the document and compare it with the initial hash. If these hashes match, then that copy isn't fake. Thus, you ensure data safety and conduct an independent audit, which is very important for bank records, government documents, and other things. Number 4. Chronicled. Chronicled is another example of blockchain in practice. Chronicled propelled the blockchain platform for the Internet of Things, which stores existing items' characters. That's where the creators of brands and other property enroll and enter the exciting codes of built-in chips into the public blockchain registry, thereby creating reliable security against possible counterfeits. Hence, this platform helps individuals to progress their consumer experience. Number 5. Real estate. Utilizing blockchain and smart contracts, BitProperty wants to democratize opportunity and make a decentralized society by permitting anybody anywhere in the world, except the US and Japan due to regulatory concerns, to invest in real estate. Instead of an ordinary 6% real estate commission, Deedcoin runs on 1% and hopes to be the other way for domestic buyers and vendors to connect with real estate operators who acknowledge a lower commission. Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Hub, and if we've missed any important spot in the list so far, tell us in a comment below. Keep watching. Now on to part 6. Number 6. Charity. BitGive is another example for charity. This worldwide donation platform leverages Bitcoin and blockchain innovation to supply more prominent transparency to donors by sharing real-time budgetary and venture data. Save the Children, the Water Project, and Medic Mobile are some of the charities working with BitGive. The The BitGive mission is to leverage the control of Bitcoin and blockchain innovation to make strides in public health and the environment worldwide. The first blockchain and Bitcoin nonprofit charity launched the Charity 2.0 initiative in 2015, which incorporates various ventures to utilize blockchain innovation to advance charities around the world. The lead project is GiveTrack, a progressive donation platform for nonprofit organizations that conveys transparency and responsibility to donors by sharing financial data and direct venture results in real time. Number 7. Loyal. Reinventing how customer motivations are created, compensated, and managed, Loyal is a cross-sector loyalty and rewards platform. Based on restricted blockchain and innovative contract technology, and utilizing the Linux Foundation's Hyperledger fabric, Loyal can handle travel and hospitality worker incentives and credit card rewards. Loyal also offers a blockchain-as-a-service client adaptation with all-inclusive access to the platform and enterprise-grade facilitating. Number 8. Simply Vital Health. The healthcare industry battles to share information due to protection and security issues, and the added cost of adjusting to different technologies. Delivering better health information management, Simple Vital Health implements blockchain to permit patients and providers to access, share, and even move their healthcare information. The platform guarantees safe and secure coordination and communication with other providers, and creates a trusted audit path. Number 9. De Beers. 5 leading diamond manufacturers have been working with De Beers during the development of Tracer. This first blockchain platform securely tracks a diamond across the entire value chain from mine to cutter, polisher, and right through to the jeweler. Once there was a trust and traceability risk due to lack of transparency, but this industry platform will deliver peace of mind with the ability to audit, tamper-proof records, and data authenticity. De Beers is mining, trading, and marketing more than 30% of the world's diamond supply. The company plans to utilize a blockchain record for tracing jewels from the mine to the customer purchase. This transparency will help the industry and anyone who wishes to verify and confirm diamonds are free from conflict. Pura Gems plans to utilize blockchain to supply emeralds, rubies, and other valuable stones in its supply process as well. Number 10. AIA Insurance. AIA launched Hong Kong's first blockchain-enabled bank assurance network in late 2017. The platform uses the Hyperledger fabric, permitting its banker partners to share required policy information and documentation on a real-time basis, diminishing the time required to process insurance applications. AIA also runs its blockchain accelerator, seeking out high-potential startups in the insurance space. As you can see, blockchain is versatile technology with unlimited potential. These examples merely scratch the surface. Suppose you are keen for your organization to unlock the power of emerging technologies. In that case, sector-specific workshops are ideal for helping others appreciate the prevalence of technology innovation and adoption in your industry. There is no better way of opening the eyes and ears of even the most reluctant stakeholders to the value of digital technologies like blockchain. There are so many blockchain advancements out there that it was a challenge to find what to highlight. Many of these are possibly disruptive, and it'll be interesting to observe how many of these will survive this initial hype phase. So guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions about blockchain technology, then please post them in the comments below. Want to learn more about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin? Then subscribe to the Crypto Hub, the most extensive finance YouTube channel, and start watching the following video. Thank you.